coming in. India Today has scoped out states' lockdown plan. This is first here on India Today. You're getting this news break. Karnataka wants to start single-screen theatres and shooting of movies if centre permits. Tamil Nadu government gives more relaxation for serial shooting from 31st of May. The order states that shooting with 60 members can resume, but necessary permission must be taken from the respective collector and in case of Chennai, from the Chennai Corporation. Earlier, the state government had given permission for shooting with 20 members to resume for TV serials. So that's the latest scoop that is coming in. We're the first channel to access this information on Karnataka wanting to start single screen theatres and shooting the movies if the centre permits as well. The Tamil Nadu government has given more relaxation for serial shooting from 31st of May. Akshaya, with this news break, is now joining us for the latest on this. Akshaya, get us the strategy. You've scooped out the inside details of what the Karnataka government and the Tamil Nadu government want at this point of time. What are you picking up, and has the centre permitted all of this?
Well, Chaitya, we are seeing that the state governments are trying to find relaxations and middle ground to ensure that normalcy slowly starts returning in the respective states. In Tamil Nadu, we are seeing that Edappadi K. Palaniswamy, the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, is having a meeting with a medical expert committee right now, and the expert committee will be giving advice on what can be the relaxation that can be brought into account in the state in the lockdown 5.0 version. And what we are hearing at this point of time is that in Chennai, Chengalpet, Tiruvallur, Kanchipuram, these are the four in and around districts around Chennai, all these places will have a stricter lockdown because of the COVID situation that is here currently. Chennai has a very high number and that is something that they are concerned about. But Chief Minister had also mentioned that in other districts, the state government has been successful in controlling COVID-19, and in those places, relaxations will be seen and more relaxations will be given is what we are picking up at this moment of time. And also the Tamil Nadu government has given permission for TV serial crews to start functioning with a capacity of 60 people. Initially, they had been given a capacity allotment of just 20, but after request from the film fraternity as well as television serial fraternity, the state government has increased the cap to 60 members in a crew can work. But also there again, there are restrictions, there are rules and regulations which have been put into place, especially the crews will have to take
that's an exclusive India Today report that you're getting first here on India Today. Our focus is going to be on what the lockdown 5.0 is going to be throughout the day. We'll get you all the updates that are coming in from the state governments, and of course all eyes on the centre as well.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.